Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be showing you the light switches in my house. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start off over here in the entrance right here, where there's 3 light switches. Let's start with the left one. This left one right here goes to this light right over there. See it? This one goes to these 2 boob lights right there. This one has an LED bulb in it. I couldn't get the cover off for some reason, but oh well. This one, it's got a CFL in it, right here. It's starting to warm up. The lamps have the same kind of bulb as the light in there. This right one goes to this light, and then the 2 lights upstairs here goes to that light, and then the light right over there. I do kind of wish there was a light like right here that lit up the landing right here. Alright, so that's that. And outside the kitchen, there's 2 switches. This switch also goes to boob lights. Now this one goes to these 2 lights here, and they both have CFLs in them. Does that one and that one. The 4 boob lights, along with the 3 dome fixtures here, these ones, they all are 1 bulb fixtures. In the dining room, there is 1 switch right here, and it goes to the fan right here. I don't know what kind of fan this is for the fan collectors. You fan collectors can let me know. But this time, this is actually high. This is medium. And that's low. And that's off. And then there's the pull string for the light. This right here reverses the polarity. So if I have the fan here, this actually blows air down. If I flip the switch, it'll stop the fan turning to the left, and it'll actually turn it to the right. It's pretty cool, in my opinion. I kind of like these fans. Okay, now it's off. Alright. That fan's got an LED bulb in it. I put it in there because why not? Over here, next to the living room TV, there's a light switch right here, and it controls balcony. Controls this light right here. It's the same light as the one at the front. Just closing these blinds. God, do I hate these blinds. The living room, there is a light switch right here. It controls the bottom half of the outlet right here. So I have this lamp plugged into it, and just for the light collectors to show, it's got 2 Philips CFLs in it. And there's the orange extension cord, and here's where that light is plugged into. This is the light that I showed in one of my previous videos. It's actually pretty blackened after like a week of use. It's got a electronic ballast. The ballast is in here. And that's it. This switch right here goes to the ceiling light right there. It's a LED fixture, so there's no bulb in it. It's kind of like the one above the parking area. Let's go upstairs. Actually, before I go upstairs, I'm just gonna open the utility room. The knob is missing, but in here we got the gas and the furnace and the HVAC. But up here, I think there might be a gas leak, but that's okay. There's a light switch right over there. It doesn't do the light. It controls the furnace. Let's go upstairs. There's the fan here. That's not a vent. It's an exhaust vent that blows in cold air and then blows out hot air from the gas vents here. Right here. Right here. Right here. See it right there. And then there's one over here. It's a different one. And the switch for that is actually right here. I have it set to like 20 degrees. That's the humidity, whatever you call it. I don't use it, really. Let's go upstairs now this time. Outside the bathroom, there's a light switch. It goes to the sink light. There goes the light bulb. You know what? I'm actually done with this light. Here, let me take it. For some reason it's on, but it flashes kind of often. I took it out. So yeah. This switch does this light right here, and this switch right here goes to the fan. Oh, and this actually makes the lights flash when the fan is off. For some reason, the switches are at the outside. They should be like right here or something, not outside. But it's kind of a dumb idea, in my opinion. Here's the laundry room closet right here. And over here, there's a light switch right here. And it goes to 2 lights right here. And the downstairs light right there. The bedroom, there's a light switch right here. It controls top outlet right there. And the final switch is right here in my room. This switch right here goes to the same lamp as the downstairs. It's got 2 more of those CFLs in there. Alright, that's basically it. Those are all the switches in my house. Hope you like this video. Please like, follow, and share, comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye.